Teams is Microsoft's collaboration platform for colleagues who need to be able to communicate with each other in a professional business environment. Leverage the power of Microsoft Teams with VitalPBX and enjoy the benefits of the best direct routing solution. VitalPBX will give your business a transparent integration with Microsoft Teams. Learn in this video the main benefits of this integration and how it can speed up your communications with your colleagues and customers. The Microsoft Teams connector for VitalPBX is an add-on that enables the communication between Teams users and VitalPBX extensions and services in a transparent manner. Now, this add-on directly connects with VitalPBX communications, making it easy to place and receive calls from within Teams. No SBC is required for this connection. Enjoy all the benefits from VitalPBX, such as IVR, conference bridges, queues, trunks, and everything from a fully featured PBX. Choose from a monthly plan for a more flexible service or a yearly plan for the best value for your business. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool that can be enhanced with VitalPBX direct routing solution. It allows your business to use your Microsoft Teams application as a soft phone client. Download it today and learn more about this solution and how it can benefit your business.